Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Friday, May 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here as we're about to head into the Memorial Day holiday weekend. Obviously, a lot of folks with outdoor plans all across the region as we go through the course of the holiday weekend. And we do have some adverse weather that we're going to have to dodge in many instances, and I'll get into that here as we go through the course of this video. But generally speaking, I think the deeper we get into the holiday weekend, the better the conditions are going to be for those outdoor plans. Let's take a peek back at yesterday. These are the storm reports from yesterday and last night. Pretty good clustering of some wind damage reports in the extreme northeastern parts of North Carolina, with some thunderstorm activity that moved through the eastern sections of Virginia and down into northeastern North Carolina. Still some remnant activity left over from that as I'm cutting this video here during the 5 a.m. hour. Still some rain with embedded thunder and lightning from that corridor there in northeastern North Carolina into southeastern Virginia. These are our dew point temperatures this morning. Remember, the dew point tells us how much moisture is available there in the low levels of the atmosphere, and everyone below this contour of red is seeing at least a 60-degree dew point temperature. So the atmosphere is certainly moist enough for showers and storms, and that's exactly what's in the forecast today. I think we'll see a good coverage of those showers and storms. I'll call it scattered to numerous showers and storms around our region this afternoon into this evening. The atmosphere set up for today is certainly one that has the chance to produce prolific lightning with any thunderstorm that develops. And you need to remember, if you're close enough to a thunderstorm to hear the thunder from it, then you are close enough to get struck by lightning. So be very careful. These storms today will likely be prolific lightning producers. And we're going to have to watch for severe weather potential as well. Most of the region included in this slight risk of severe weather. The main problem with the severe weather, if it develops, would be wind. There's the wind probabilities for this afternoon to this evening. There's a rather limited potential for some hail. The tornado threat today, while not zero, is fairly low. Some of the parameters necessary for significant tornadoes not in place today, but we will have to watch for wind damage and maybe some small hail. Tomorrow, enough of the parameters still in place. I'm going to maintain the chance on our Saturday forecast for scattered showers and thunderstorms. The severe weather potential lower tomorrow, but it's not zero. So still could be a couple strong to severe storms Saturday afternoon. And one thing we're going to have to watch is the rain. Now, this is the day 1 and 2 QPF from the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center here. And notice a good section, really say I-85 and points north and west, outlined to get at least a half or 3/4 of an inch of rain, and some spots could see more than that. In fact, if one location sees a couple different rounds of thunderstorms move through, we could easily see some localized 2 or 3+ inch rain amounts. So it could be some localized flash flooding issues over the next couple of days as well. Now, as we get deeper into the holiday weekend, the rain chances go down. Here's Sunday. And while there could be a couple of isolated showers or storms around the region, I think most of us are going to get away with a dry Sunday. So that means the big race out at Charlotte Motor Speedway will probably be able to go without any weather-related problems. Monday, for Memorial Day, it still looks like most of us will be dry. The best thunderstorm chance staying off to the west of the Carolinas and most of the Virginias, at least most of Virginia itself, on Monday, but that next system will bring us more shower and thunderstorm chances by Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. And maybe it'll push us some slightly drier air as we get into later Wednesday or Thursday of next week. All right, so that's how things shape up this morning for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Just be aware, not everyone is going to see rain today or tomorrow, but I think a lot of us will. Pretty good coverage of those at least scattered showers and storms. But improvement in terms of those outdoor plans as you head through the holiday weekend. I want to take a moment here to say thank you to all of our servicemen and women who have dutifully and bravely served our country through the years. We enjoy all the freedoms that we have in this wonderful country, mainly due to your sacrifice. And I want to thank you for your service over the years. And if you know any servicemen or women that are in your circle of folks you know, be sure and give them a thanks as we go through this weekend. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Memorial Day holiday weekend. Stay safe and God bless.